Welcome to the SAP Business One HANA series on sales recommendations. Understanding your customer's history with your organization and their buying behavior will help you to improve business relationships with your customers, focusing on customer retention and ultimately driving sales growth. Sales recommendations in SAP Business One is a perfect example of machine learning, which leverages sophisticated algorithms, grouping customers based on similar buying behaviors, for example, allowing the system to make specific customer recommendations. Let's open up a sales order. A side tab called Recommendations is available, which captures the buying history and a calculator that summates the purchasing history for specific items. If I create a new sales order with my customer parameter technology, I immediately can see recommendations for this customer. I can easily add the recommended items to the sales order from directly within the Sales Recommendations tab. To complement this, there is a section called Customers who bought this item also bought, which offers insight into what other customers have purchased with similar buying behaviors and recommends these items for your customer as well. A back-end service performs regular batch runs, capturing updated data based on customer buying habits, and this is reflected in the Recommendations tab. To utilize this feature, simply navigate to the General Settings window and ensure under the Display tab that the checkbox Enabled Sidebar in Windows to display recommendations and link documents is checked. This is another good example of machine learning, enabling you to understand your customer's history with your organization and their buying behavior, ultimately improving business relationships and driving sales growth.